Hi everybody, my name is Dave Haas from Street Level Solutions. Our agency is dedicated to helping to connect businesses and consumers who are looking for products and services to other local businesses that can help supply those needs. Today we're focusing on how does someone find a great attorney. My guest today is Luke Enno from Enno Law. Luke has lived in the Twin Cities his whole life. He graduated from the University of Minnesota, Carlson School of Management, and received his law degree from William Mitchell College of Law. He's what I would call a triple threat. He knows the Twin Cities, he knows business, and he knows the law. Luke, welcome to the Hangout.
Thank you, Dave.
Well, I want to get started right away, and let me see if I can frame this up a little bit and ask you the first question here. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of people out looking for attorneys at any given time. And there's almost the same number of attorneys, thousands of them in the Twin Cities, that you can choose from. So the problem is, how does someone find a great attorney? Or put another way, how does someone find the right attorney?
Good question, Dave. I would say that the number one way to start when it comes to finding a great attorney is to ask friends or family for a personal referral if they've worked with an attorney who's done a good job for them. Most attorneys who are reputable and that do good work their business will reflect that, and in terms of referrals, that's a good way to start. Now, if you have a business contact, such as a CPA or tax preparer that you work with on a regular basis, they also may have a recommendation as far as an attorney. The next source, of course, would be Google, which is very common these days, is to do a Google search. And when you do a Google search, of course, you're looking for the reviews, and it's ideal. In an ideal sense, you would like to see 7 to 10 positive reviews, something that gives an idea as to other clients and what their experience has been with that attorney. And then next, I would recommend going to the local Chamber of Commerce or Rotary Club or B&I group. Many times they have a website which will have attorneys listed on there who belong to those groups. Most of those organizations are reputation-based, and that's usually a positive sign. Attorneys who want to preserve a good reputation in the local community most often will belong to one or more of those groups. Then when you go to the attorney's or the law firm's website, I usually encourage people to look for specific pieces of information. What services do those attorneys provide? Do they offer a free consultation? Is it easy to contact them? Are there multiple ways to reach them? Phone, email, forms, whatever it might be, there should be multiple ways to reach out to that attorney. And then does that attorney have a blog or some type of site on their law firm website that contains information that pertains to your particular situation? I would say 40 to 50% of prospective clients that are looking out there, many times they will find information on a blog or a website and use that to reach out to the attorney because whatever that particular issue is relates to their problem.
Excellent. I think that seeking out information from blogs gives an in-depth information on specific issues. So that's great insight. So let me turn this around a little bit. What type of experience does someone have when they go to your practice? What do they see? How do you treat them? What makes you stand out?
Yes, with regards to my practice, I primarily focus on small business and estate planning, and I work with individuals, the mom and pop businesses, and families typically. And so when you're going out to look for an attorney like myself, it helps to see if there's a bio out there of that attorney. A lot of prospective clients that come into my office have an opportunity to read my bio, kind of learn a little bit about myself, who I am, and it makes it easier for them to relate to me. One of the biggest challenges that individuals and small business owners have is the difficulty to relate to their attorney. They want to be able to connect with their attorney to know them, to understand them, that the attorney isn't talking down to them, but the attorney listens to them. And so those are key things that you want to look for, especially when you make the initial contact to that attorney, when you sit down with that attorney. Is that attorney a good listener? Are they being receptive to what your problem is and trying to help you work through that issue?
Excellent, excellent. Great advice. I know that you have some very special things that you do for new customers that are looking for the right attorney. What do you do?
Yeah, I always offer a free initial consultation. I don't set a clock specifically. Usually the consultation takes around an hour, but that's something that may distinguish me in part compared to a lot of attorneys is I will give you ample opportunity to be able to share and communicate, to get to know me, to describe the issue or the problem that you're going through that you need assistance or guidance with, and to see if it's a good fit. I'd like to make sure that the client feels comfortable that they're going to work with me because it's going to be an ongoing relationship, possibly. And if that's the case, they should have a good idea who I am and what they can expect.
And how do they contact you?
They obviously can give me a call. My phone number is prominent on my website, my blog. Many times people will also reach out to me via email. My email is very prominent as well. I have online forms that they can fill out information, ask questions through that. That's right on the front of my web page as well. And then sometimes people will reach out through the blog. If they've read a particular article, I have a section where they can contact me through the blog. So there's many ways to reach out to me. I make it as easy as possible for individuals when they've reviewed information on my website or on my blog to contact me and to try and get questions answered or to set up an initial consultation.
Great information. Luke, thank you very much. For all of you out there, if you're looking for really a great attorney, you owe it to yourself to give Luke a call. His number is below here, and set up a conference and talk to him about what your issues are. I know he's going to steer you in the right direction. Luke, thank you again for your great advice, and good luck with your practice. I hope you can continue to make a difference with your clients.
Thank you, Dave.
All right. This is Dave Haas from Street Level Solutions along with Luke Enno from Enno Law. We hope to be seeing you soon again.